Okay, here is my test video. I'm going to demo my game that I made real quick. I chose the Choose Your Own Adventure, and I made a game called 9 to 5. And I'll just show you an example of what it looks like. It reads from two different text files. To create this experience, press any key to continue. It shows some text, and then it gives you some options to select from using arrow keys or WASD. So I'm going to choose one of these. I'm going to say look at bookshelf, and I'll press space or enter. And I have some options as to some books I can read. So I'm going to read The Hobbit. You decide to read The Hobbit. Let's press continue. The Hobbit was a very well-to-do hobbit. It gives you a little section from the book. And then you wake up, and that's technically one of my endings to my game. It isn't fully fleshed out yet. Like, I still have to add background images, and some of my paths don't go anywhere. Like if I open up Chrome, it says get lost reading about skiing, and then it loops back. If I look out my window, it says you look out window. Okay. If I leave the room, I just go straight back inside the office. So really there's not a lot of options right now, but I'll be adding more. Here is my text file containing all my choices, and this Python script uses a lot of static method functions within a class text, because I honestly don't know how to write world functions yet. So I use static method for all of these, and they will iterate through my choices in my 9 to 5 text and turn them into dictionaries. So here's my text file. You see it'll read 0000, and then whatever choice I make, it'll jump to whatever code is appropriate. And the way it does that is in this text file, here's my first four choices. They all start with 0000 as listed here, my current key 0000, and it'll change that current key to whatever choice I make. It's the code at the end of it. So if I choose to leave the room, it'll jump to 2000. It'll give me this choice to go back inside my office. It's only one choice, but it displays those choices. If I wanted a second choice, I would say 2000B for a second choice, and then I make it link to another thing. And yeah, there you have it. So again, this is my initialization. This is how I read my text file and iterate through it. Then here I have my event reader. So this actually reads the keys that I press and changes my text and text colors. And then here is my section that actually renders all my text onto the screen. And yeah, that's all.